So first of all, it needs to be sanded back to its true color, which is a golden brown. Once that's done, take off all the dust that you've created from sanding. Once that's all cleaned off, on the weather-wise, you need good 3 days at least to apply the oils. Once your oils are down, give it 30 minutes to penetrate into the wood. Once the 30 minutes is over, you can get back on the deck and take some rags and wipe off your excess oils and any overlaps to give you a true color of the EP wood. And that's about it. An applicator, sheepskin, wool, which holds more of the product as we go along in an evenly stroke. We don't want any pooling, which is the oil itself. First of all, it has to be cleaned with a solution to get the grime and dirt off. Alright, so we're going to open up the can and pour it in our 5-gallon pail. Some areas will dry quicker than others. Some oils will soak in, penetrate the wood, and some areas need more oil to seal the pores in order to have a clear sealing. The oil is just to rejuvenate the wood's enhancement and keeps the wood longer. So we're going to dry off the deck, take all the rosette oil off, and take as much as the old oil as we got, as you can see. We just want to remove all the loose oils so it doesn't affect the grain by sun rays, which will enhance it and darken it, which we don't want. We want to dry as much as we can on the oils so that everything is penetrated into the wood. Apply 4 feet up, and back, up and back. Right, so we're at the final stage now. We waited 30 minutes. Now we're going to wipe the deck clean, remove all excess oil. It's already been penetrated into the wood, so we're going to take all of it out so we don't have any pooling, which is very large areas where the oil sat, didn't draw in because it's already sealed. So we're going to continue on foot by foot and dry it as much as we can before the next rainfall.